Hello, welcome to Whitstable. And look, there's the moon. The seagulls singing over there. Hi Sean, how you doing? It's such a calm evening, it's really beautiful. So I thought I'd share it with you. Yeah, fine. Beast of Burger, hello, how are you? There's the moon. And that's over towards Canterbury that way. It's quite pretty, isn't it? Yeah, hi my babies, how you doing? Spring has sprung. The birds know, don't they? I think the starlings are back. You can't see the sea. You can usually see it from here, but it's the clouds and the sky are that sort of colour where it sort of meets the sea. So it kind of merges into one. Hello! I know, I saw you in the scope the other day, didn't I? How are you? The birds know at 5 AM. I know they do. So this is my neighbourhood. It's in Tankerton in Whitstable, which is about an hour south of London. Yeah, I was in Churchill's yesterday, that's right, up at Notting Hill with Orion and Cheryl and a few of the other scoopers. That was good fun. I didn't get back till quite late, I had some work to do up there as well, so I didn't get back till about 8:30. So just chilling out today, and I've been tidying the loft, so I've taken a bit of a break. I'm pulling everything out of the eaves and sorting through everything, so I thought I'd have a bit of a break and scope out of the window. So what kind of day have you been having? You had a good day? Had a good Sunday? Yeah, it's 6:14, yeah. You hear all these birds? You can hear the road in the distance, unfortunately. Sometimes it's quiet. Oh, roast lamb, lovely. That sounds yummy, Loretta. See you later. Cars bird. And past the moon. It's about 6 miles from Canterbury. It only takes about 15 minutes in the car. So I work in Canterbury. And so we're at the seaside. You can see all the 1930s houses, can't you? There's a couple of new builds over there. And that way is Herne Bay. Privet, Russia, hello! It is Russia, isn't it? Are you from Russia, Helga? I know, it was really cold, wasn't it, for Scott, for a guy? Can I speak without an English accent? I don't know. British accent. I could try another one if you like. No, not at uni. No, I work in Canterbury. Which accent would you like me to try? It might be quite difficult. I'll give it a go. No, I'm not at Canterbury Uni. No, I'm a lot older than that. I was at university in 1992, so a long time ago. Oh, Spurs won, did they? Oh, cool. British is more difficult than American. Is it? Not for me. I'm not very good with an American accent, I'm afraid. Oh, for you, yes, okay. Oh, you're from Kazakhstan, but an American accent's easier, is it? Coffee. That's it, yeah. Maribel. That's about it. Gonna get some coffee. That's the limit of my American accent, I'm afraid. It's not very good, is it? But it was nice to meet Cheryl and her niece yesterday. They were over from St. Louis. So that was nice. Or St. Louis, I should say. And I think it was her niece's first time in London, first time to the UK. They're really enjoying it. Do I know where it is located? Yeah, it's Whitstable. It's about an hour south of London. That's where this is at the moment. It is quiet, isn't it? It's nice and calm.